So this one I got from a guy locally here.
Seeing Daly hold this is crazy. I knew it! I saw that little nugget! I saw that too. 1 footer, and I was like, this guy's gonna pull over.
I bailed last second. The whole coastline here is epic, bro.
It's firing.
Wow.
We gotta find something mellow.
Biggest board we can and get the smallest wave.
I love it!
Nice stop here. Half gallon every hour. We're gonna make it. At least the water is not going in the oil. Just the oil going. The coolant going. I don't know where it's going.
Give it a wrench.
Alright.
Nice. We're out of here. What happened, bro? Where you been?
You left me, bro.
Dude, we had no service. I had no idea.
I pulled in, alternator went out, battery light flashing. I'm like, oh shit, you just took off. I was there, no service. I had the tools, the parts, everything to do everything. Spent 2 hours taking all my belts apart, put it all back together, and got back on the road.
Bro, I would have been no help. I would have been no help in that situation. Did you filmed everything?
Filmed everything.
Of course you did.
It's supposed to be all there. Luckily I have the spare. This belt stays on and we can make it. Let's go find Casey. I wonder what he's thinking. I still can't believe he pulled over and he was waiting for me, and right when I pulled behind him he took off. You guys gotta check it out. Mechanic Dale.
Well, we're stoking over here buying Mexican blankets in Baja still.
Wow, you're still in Baja and I'm still in Utah.
Oh God, where are we? Oh yeah. I mean, the plan was never to really go the speed you were going.
That was wild, bro. What an experience.
Well, we did good. Almost got a full video done here. Unfortunately, I fully forgot my camera, battery, and charger down in SoCal at Banks' house, which is just the most wild thing to do ever. I don't know when I'm gonna be back down there next, so everything I've been recording today has been on my phone. We did the full-blown tortoise and the hare. Or the turtle and the hare? The tortoise and the hare. The tortoise is the turtle. The tortuga and the conejo. Where I was kind of in front of Daly today, just like pulling off, taking little stops because I had a bunch of time to kill in between how slow he was going, and I would pull off every now and then, and we would let his car cool down, and then right when we took off and we started 5 minutes into the trip, his belt broke, and I ended up taking an actual nap on the side of the road like 20 minutes up ahead, and woke up 2 hours later. I was so tired, and he still hadn't passed me yet. I had no service. I didn't know what to do. It was crazy, but we're safe, we're secure, we're stoked. We should probably stay with our homies more when they're driving whips like that, but when you're driving a rig like that, you can't really be expecting everybody to be handling your situations for you. Here we go. Second night here, third night, I don't know where we're at. We are, I think, close to Santa Cruz, and the dream is peaking.
Every hour.
Daily, yeah. How many clips do we have of you? This is a daily thing.
Yeah, buddy.
What's good, dog?
What's good?
How we doing?
Vlogs all day, baby.
You're dreaming. Woo. Oh, dude, that was nothing. Realistically, she purrs, dude. The motor's good. Nice to meet you, dog.
Man. Keep dreaming.
Wow.
Hell yeah, bro. I've been watching it for like 5 years. What? Sick. Not in
You don't have any merch on you, do you, Daily?
Yeah, I got some.
What size are you?
Large.
The Overstoked merch company is just going to be giveaways.
All of it.
We're not going to make $1 off it.
Give away every item since I bought them. Oh, dude. I just hooked you on up, bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
Nah, dude, it's good to meet you, man.
Yeah, likewise, bro. I
Hopefully
really
catch you out there soon.
Yeah, dog. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it.
So sick, bro.
Sick. Did you get this thing recently? Yeah, I just got it like 3 or 4 weeks ago. Yeah.
Yeah. Got it. Blew the head gasket 2 weeks later. What's up, man?
Nice to meet you, man.
It's Frank, right?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, brother.
A lot of history, dude.
Yeah, what's good?
And
Tell me.
you get on these boards, you ain't f***ing around.
No,
This
no,
is
but
like
this is when
big
it's on,
shit.
yeah.
You used to surf?
Oh yeah, all the time.
Come on.
The 7.6 was shaped by a buddy of mine who is no longer with us.
Really?
He was a real character. He was from back east. I went to Hawaii with this guy a couple times.
Oh my gosh.
So he shaped this one as a 7.6. And then this is a stretch board, an 8.2.
Dude, these things are gnarly.
Yeah, you're talking like
Yeah.
up north here.
This
Couple
winter.
of places that you drove by to today.
And they're all glassed in, huh?
Yeah, they're older boards,
Yeah.
but they're in good shape. I did notice there's one thing right there, but
Could you imagine
That's about
T-Cap paddling in on this thing?
I think these will work good at that that spot. I've had these in Mexico before.
Really?
Yeah.
So you used to get into the big ones?
Oh, yeah.
Crazy?
You were charging.
Yeah,
Yes.
That is insane.
but
gosh.
too old for that now. This one I got from a guy locally here.
Seeing Daily hold this is crazy.
He's holding it.
Bro,
What are you doing with that?
we're stoking with this, bro.
I want to see a video someday of Daily riding this thing.
That's amazing.
Gnarly.
I didn't know how mental it was to freaking actually ride this. Now I know what the gun
Another
means.
2 boards in your rig, Daily?
Is that the flow trail? It's got little jumps and stuff? I was trying to get Casey to do that. All he wants to do is surf.
I'm gonna learn the whole bike thing.
Are you sure you want to commit to getting these? You're sure about this?
100%.
Are you sure?
Next level for Casey.
Oh, we might have to move a mountain bike. Oh.
Oh boy. Look at the lineup.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You're still on this, and then we get you down, and then we get you back up.
The day will come soon.
For you.
I'm out there.
You
25 foot, baby. Yeah, right.
I'm just trying to be like Frank, bro.
All right, here it is.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's all.
This is how you're making your living. I don't wanna
That's
steal
built
your
for
shit.
you, bro.
All right.
Come
Cool. I'll
on. Shred Stoke Dream.
2 guns for a sweatshirt. I don't know about that.
I don't. Well, hey.
Smell the oil in there.
It's like my 12th clip of him topping this thing off.
Just today?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Dude, thank you, bro.
Oh, no problem.
Woo.
Thanks for the
Appreciate it
shirt.
so much, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dale.
Free formats, some cards for y'all. You know what I'm saying?
What do we think? It just went down.
Oh, that was heavy. I didn't realize people prep so much for so much gnarly chaos. And the guy's a legend for hooking you up. But high fives.
Dude, so heavy. The surf game potentially is going to get brought to the next level. And I don't even know. I have no words to express the gratitude for somebody to reach out and to offer something like that when they see that we're trying to step it up, and the next couple months could be insane here. I don't know if Daly's getting on that, but
It's crucial.
I'm claiming me and TCAP for sure.
When it's 25 foot out there, you just gotta inch your way into them, he said.
Yeah,
just good luck.
familiarize yourself, bro. Well, we got to the beach now. We're not gonna be bringing out that board, but what do you think?
You're going first. I gotta clear some stuff up. I'm gonna film you. Then I'm gonna go get smoked. Not even claiming I'm gonna get one. No, I'm gonna get one.
Sure, it's gonna be
I'm gonna get
sick
one.
And
It's gonna be gnarly.
no, it's not that gnarly. It's like shoulder high right now. I'm just gonna take the regular step up out because it looks kind of fat and mushy. Nice little offshore, but potentially too much. And yeah, just
gonna be a dreamer.
overwhelmed with gratitude right now. That was the heaviest thing ever.
Wild. It's hard
Just
to
a-
absorb it.
Insane amounts of love. We're gonna be doing that,
It's
giving back in the future.
Not compared to anything.
We can offer right now, dude. We're working on it. Complete legend. Here we go. Wish us luck. Well, that was the most classic case. It looks good, paddle out, winds change, and then you're already out there, you gotta commit.
Right when you went out there, the wind went from on to off.
Off to on.
Off to on. It turned off. And it's cold out there.
Oh, what's the new plan, dude? This is gnarly. Tomorrow we got
We got mac and cheese and water, baby.
apparently 12 o'clock in the afternoon, a gnarly storm rolling in, and we got a 3-hour drive through the mountains to our spot. Where we
trying
want
to
to
pick
surf
up-
in the morning.
Oh man, there's so many scenarios. We got RVs, mini RVs, other
And
mini
I gotta
RVs.
go to the Gnarly on the way to
Yeah.
his place to get my stuff out of the Gnarly to then stop at my mini Gnar to then swap over. But if we get caught in that storm, it's gnarly.
We got one more chance to get in the water before it starts snowing tomorrow. It's snowing tomorrow and everything's opening in the next week. FYI.
And we're sitting on the coast right now trying to get one last dreamer in. I got a couple all right ones. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing.
I got all of them.
Did you?
I got them.
I didn't. All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning from home sweet home, the RV. We made the commitment last night after looking at the wind charts and realizing that for the next like 12, 16 hours, there's going to be insane 40-mile-an-hour hurricane-style winds blowing onshore absolutely everywhere. So there will be no surf. And finally getting back to the RV right now answered so many questions that I had of basically like, where are my winter boots? I didn't even know what I was going to do. I'm not trying to drop another $120 on banger boots, and things just started showing up. Boxes that I haven't opened that I've been looking for so long. Piles of boxes. Yeah, we're going to get to it. And just, yeah, heaps and heaps and piles of merch. All my bulletproof products, just so many different things. Teas and coffees and grinders and all of the true wild, which I will break down a lot more about here very shortly. But we're stoked. We got everything that we needed back. All my good blankets and pillows. I've been wondering where all of this stuff has been. No! True wild. We're about to just take care of the neck super proper here. It's storming outside, super gnarly right now. I gotta find Daly. I just finished up an edit here. I don't know where this day's gonna lead, but we're stoked to be back. Stoked to have some of our belongings back, and we got some serious catching up to do. Good morning. Let's see what this day doesn't unfold.
Ah, that feels great.
What?
Plug it into a battery charger.
I got this jumper right here. It's a jump start, and they wanted us to open it and show if it works.
I think we should jump in.
Perfect timing, huh? The RV's dead.
Let's jump her.
I got a gift for you too. This is heavy. Where you at, Grom?
What's that? Oh, no way. Woo! Is this for this year? Or last year?
This year.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Are you kidding me?
Lava rubber.
Lava rubber.
Fully dialed you in.
I feel like we do some yoga right now for you.
Literally.
Let's get her down. Thank you, dude. We're over stoked. Look at the face. Look, we're ready.
All right, what do we got? Hulkman, jump starter, 8.5 liter gas, 6.0 liter diesel. I'm just acting like I know what that means, by the way.
Yeah, you can start a diesel.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Oh, sick. I wonder if it comes charged, ready to go, out the box.
I feel like you gotta charge it up.
Well, we're gonna find out. What?
That looks legit. You think out the box, hill jumper? Some new batteries, buddy.
What do you gotta do?
Ready? You do anything?
We didn't read anything. Just go for the turn. See how layman's this thing is. Should I be holding it? Right out the box. Are you kidding me with the LED screen?
That thing has 0% charge on anything. That was good.
You'll have to see it.
Hulkman!
Hulkman.
Hulkman!
Link in the description. Apparently, this thing is the tiniest, most compact, portable little jump start I've ever seen. That's so sick, dude. Nice. You can still plug this thing into it, and then you got a cigarette lighter on the go.
Oh yeah, no, the cigarette lighter right here.
USB? Sick. USB-C, we're charging computers.
Oh wow, that's crucial.
Or we're going cigarette lighter, and then you go AC, and then you're running your computer, and you're blending.
Four outlets later.
Can we blend out this thing?
I think that would be a good test. I'll blend right now.
We'll start blending.
Yeah, look at the tires.
Oh my God.
It's insane. It's like low, high, low, high. The wheel's doing this. It's ruining the tires.
Because this was new.
We're gonna put these two, rotate them on the back. I got two brand new ones, but they got to fix whatever is making it wobble.
That's gnarly.
This is gnarly because we put
Is that camber caster?
That's camber.
Dude, I've never seen anything like that in my entire life. I don't know if we can actually even see it, but it's
bad.
Yeah, she needs crazy love. Critical love, and then just
All over maintenance.
all over maintenance love.
Oil,
And upgraded love.
batteries,
Yep.
rack. We need more storage racks. We got 15 surfboards.
I know. Mini guns.
Need a big gun rack. Bigger nook.
Yeah, I know. I wanted to extend this thing so it could be another 6 inches that way. Dude, now we got Scrizzy. Oh no, he's a different human now. I can't wait to go see this guy. Oh, I got
Working for 3 months. Only messing with the finest motor oils around here. Straight Lucas Motor Oil. Straight out of Houston, Stokeville.
I can't bring everything. Are you bringing the RV to the house?
Yeah. Well, I have to, right? Well, I don't know. Let's figure it out.
Woo, she's packed. All right. We're out of here now. I don't know what we're doing, where we're going, when we're coming back, where we're going to be going next, what we're going to be bringing when we get there, but we're stoked. We have so much to be grateful for. So many things to be in, so many different places or vehicles or whatever. It's overwhelming, but this is what we asked for years ago without even realizing that it was going to come to fruition very soon. So put your mind to something, work hard on it, and be ready for some results. We're out of here. Woo. Later, bro. See you next winter.
See you next winter.
I mean, come on. Wow. What do we think, Scrizzy? Is it going to turn to snow?
I'm hoping so. This rain is getting over it. It's been nothing but rain.
It's going down right now, Scrizz.
We're going to chase down this van that I just built because we got to check it out.
Are you kidding me? What's up, bro?
Yo, what's going on,
What are you filling up? Water?
Yeah. Fresh water.
Come on, right here.
Where's that?
How easy is that?
Super easy. Better if it was pouring rain, but
Yeah, could be worse though. Dude, first of all, just the rig itself.
yeah, the rig is pretty bad.
The rig itself, what year is this?
Brand new one. It's brand new, dude.
Can I climb up this like a little grom?
It didn't even work.
What? This is the legitimate dream right here.
We got a full electrical, we got a light back here for all that. It's got 60 amp charge controller, 2000 watt inverter, 200 amp hour lithium battery sitting in the back, wired parallel. We got a full DC loads, 23 gallon water tank. There's a hot water heater right there.
What? You got a hot water heater in here?
Water pumps, filter, accumulator, the whole nine.
What are we accumulating?
You know how to fix any of this stuff? Does that need to be fixed, dude?
Is this coming with a warranty?
Yeah.
What are we working with?
Check it out. We got reading lights right here with USB hookups on the bottom, cut out. We got overhead cabinets sitting right here. Yeah, it pulls out to be a drawer. All right, let me show you the inside.
Oh my god.
This right now.
It's a full rig. We got lights?
It's
Oh my god!
Check out the flip up butcher block, all done up nicely. We got Dometic stove top. We got heater coming out right here.
A heater? Just
That's the heater. It's
Central
underneath
heat?
here. Yeah, central heat. We got the inverter charger right here. Powers up the 110 right here. We've got a DC to DC battery controller here, 12 volt USB. We got 12 volt Dometic cooler, freezer, fridge, all wired up to the solar. 600 watts up top. Little table situation going on. We got an extra light switch right here so he can, you know, work on his desk.
the swivel game is insane.
It's insane. We got an overhead cabinet in here. Nice sink, full electric. We got
Another swivel?
We got lights underneath, all trimmed up. We got lights right here for the sink. We got a drawer for kitchen.
What don't we have?
Not much. Not much to it. We got another drawer here, another drawer here, another drawer here.
Ready to be
He's got
filled.
storage right here. This is a vented propane locker that's going on here. So as a propane tank goes in here, which runs this and the heater. Gray water tank right here. And then, last but not least,
There's a shower?
hot water shower. Oh yeah.
The water heater's for.
Dude.
take a hot shower when you're chasing the pow.
Yeah, when you're done shredding, man. Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, and then this is the water pump switch. But here's a nice little touch right here. It's a 3-pole switch. so he can shut off his cabin lights at the bed, and you can turn them on when you walk in. It's pretty slick.
Bro,
They're all dimmable. They're all dimmable lights. They're all dimmers.
I got new goals.
So this is it, man. This is the rig. Oh yeah, and it's remote control water heater.
You did this all at the cribby?
All at the cribby. Turn this on and it turns the water heater on. And then this is the max air fan remote control for that. And then his solar is Bluetooth, so he can keep track of what his charge is and all that stuff that's going on. It's pretty badass. The guy, he picked some good stuff, good material.
I've never been so blown out of my mind. I got nothing to even.
This is the riggy.
This is the sickest fan in the world.
Dude, super pumped.
Are you kidding?
You couldn't ask for anything better, man. It's sick. It's got everything you need.
Literally everything. Here, so you put your propane tank in here, so it's safe. So it's completely vented.
Hide a nook.
Yeah, a hose going down out there, so if it did leak propane, it all expels out the bin instead of going in. And that's where your propane tank sits. Fully weather sealed, fully sealed up. Here's your exhaust right there. Just go ahead and hook it up. Power's up here, power's down there.
Dude, you almost got away from me, bro. Did you see me stop in the middle of the road as you drove by?
Why is that guy stopping?
Because I thought it was this guy. Dude, I am so hyped for you.
I am hyped for him too.
That is absolutely legendary.
It's pretty my ass off
Dude,
this
he
one.
crushed
I'm
it.
smoked. Oh yeah, that was like the first cut I made on this.
You cut the window out.
That was a scary
That's so critical.
one. You had to come see it. You had to come say it again.
When you wear boots like that, I feel like you can kind of get anything done.
Kinda gotta get it done. Gotta get it with the boots on, baby.
Well, enjoy it, bro.
Dude, thank
nice
you.
to meet you. I'll see you in Colorado, huh?
Yeah, dude, come out. Yeah, come out with him whenever you want. Let's go. Hey, Mike. Take it easy.
What do we think, Scrizz? How many can we knock out a year?
Oh, I'm claiming 4, but I need help, guys. Let me know if you want a van. I can help you out. High Alpine Vans. Come check it out.
We got a name for it?
We got business cards too.
High Alpine Vans.
Alpine Vans.
Alpine Vans. High Alpine Vans.
My grandfather's company was Alpine Tool. Back, dude.
Oh my God. Do you have an Instagram for the van thing?
High Alpine
You got
Vans.
one.
I haven't put anything on it yet, but we're dropping a bunch of coming
We'll
up.
drop this on there.
We'll drop this on there.
Doing.
We're excited.
Scrizzy's building big rigs. You got to do a second trial run. Do one on mine.
Yeah, right.
And then we'll start
And then we'll
advertising
start
for you.
advertising a bit. Yeah, right. He hasn't, you know.
All right, guys, I want to shut this video down real quick by saying if there's anything in your life that you've ever wanted to commit to 100% and you were scared, but you made the move and you wanted support right now, that is what Scrizzy just did. This kid, no joke, committed to quitting his job and going full time into building vans, having never built a van before, and crushed it so hard. And he's one of those people who's not super good at social media and marketing and stuff. So if you guys support that type of thing where somebody commits so hard, or maybe you even do want a van build in the future, drop my mans a follow right here on Instagram. I would be so grateful to show him the stoke and to support him on a crazy adventure like that. It's always so gnarly. So anytime I can offer something like that back, I feel so grateful to have the opportunity. And we just got back to Tahoe tonight. There's supposed to be the most legendary storm that they're claiming hits the biometric meter. I don't know anything about it, but we could potentially be scoring super hard POW day the next couple days here. So thank you guys for the stoke, the support, the love. We'll see you tomorrow for the absolute dream. Woo! High Alpine Vans, baby.